Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be explaining linear search in a super simple way, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to write the code on your own. Even if you are a complete beginner, don't get afraid. You'll be understanding every part of it. So we'll be doing this program in Java. All right, let's start. First, let's learn what is linear search. A linear search is one of the easiest ways to search for an element in a list or array. So in this method, we start checking from the first element and go one by one until we find the target value. If we find it, we return its position. If not, we say that the element is not present. Let's take a real life example. Let's say you have a row of books and you're looking for a specific book. You start from the first book, check its name. If it's not the one, you move to the next and keep doing this until you find it. That's exactly how linear search works. Let's understand. So, in this first example, I have in this first iteration, my target element is 8. So, I'll start from the first. First element is 12. 8 doesn't match 12. So, it has given doesn't match. So, we need to continue with the next iteration, which is 2. It is in the index 1, which is 25. Sorry, it's in the index 1. Yeah, it's in the index 1 because we start with I equal to 0, okay, which is 25. 25 doesn't match 8. So we still need to continue. And in the third iteration, 8 matches 8. Hence, we found our element and we will terminate from the loop. So this is what we'll be doing in the program. Let's see how the same logic we apply into the program. It's not about just remembering the logic. You must actually frame your own logic. In that way, we'll be doing it. Let's continue.
As we have understood what linear search means, let's see how to actually write the code for it in Java. We'll start by writing a simple Java program that searches for a number in an array using linear search. First, I'll create an array of numbers. Then I'll write a loop to go through each number in the array. If we find the number we are searching for, we'll print its position. If not, we'll say that the number is not found. All right. So let's start writing the code step by step. Okay. So first I'll be initializing my array. Int, sorry, int array. In the curly braces, I'll be taking the elements 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And let's take a target element. So in this case, our target element is going to be 40. So I have taken the array elements, target element. Now I need to enter into the main logic, which is finding the element. So I'll start with a for loop. Initialize I equal to 0. It will end at array dot length -1. As it is less than, no need to give -1. And it will be incremented for each iteration. So what is my condition? If my array element at index I equals my target element, what I need to do is just print its position. So I'm writing a print statement and I need to print that. It would be better if we write the element that is the target element before. So this plus is given later to add it here. Okay, is found. add the possessive, we'll be giving it like plus I plus 1. Okay, all right. So after this, what I need to do is I need to just get terminated from the loop. I have found the element. Now, no use of being in this loop. Just get out of this loop. And for that case, if I don't find the element in the complete array, what I need to do? I need to tell the user that the element is not found. Okay, so this you can give it in the loop itself. So I have come out of the condition, and if my I is equal to my A dot length. Now, why am I giving like this? Because I'll be starting from the first index, move till the last index, which is my array dot length minus 1. So at the last iteration, my I would be array dot length minus 1. So it will just satisfy this condition. It will satisfy this condition and it will go into the loop, into the condition that my element is found or not. It will check for it. Element is not found. Now what it will do? I will get incremented once again. It will move to I is equal to 5. Remember, I'm talking about the index position. It will move to I is equal to 5. And at my I equal to 5, I don't have any element. And also, 5 will not be less than 5. So it will come out. It will check for this condition. If my I is equal to A dot length, which is if my I equal to 5, what it will do? I'll just write a print statement for it that my element is not found. That's it. So this is our program, and let's see what our output comes. As you can see the output, we've got here that 40 is found at 4. So this is a linear search program. Let's also change the target element and see how it works. I'll be giving 60. It is not present in the array. So let's see what happens. See, it has not given any output. Why has this happened? I have given this condition inside the loop. So what I have been telling you is that if this condition doesn't satisfy, it will just come out of the loop and it doesn't check for this. So what you can do is that just write it outside. Now let's see whether we'll get the output or not. Okay, I is not initialized. Let's put I equal to 0. And if you initialize it outside, you must not initialize it in the loop. Now see the output. Now we got that element is not found. So we have done small. So we got the output and we have done a small mistake that we have placed this if condition inside the for loop. We must not do that. See, when the for loop condition doesn't satisfy, it just gets out of the loop. That's the reason we have written a break statement here. So, and we must also initialize the I outside the loop for doing this. You can do this by taking the input from the user by using the scanner class. It will be much interesting in that way. So I hope you have understood this program and please do try it on your own in VS Code. Don't see the logic. Now, whatever you have learned now, what logic you have learned now, just execute it in the VS Code and feel that joy which you get if you get the output without any errors. So that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. Please do share, subscribe, and also hit the like button. And also share with your friends. I always tell you this thing that make your friends your competitive, give them the equal chance for that. Thank you. Have a nice day.